Morning, everyone. And Daksh, I hope you will not leave the class in between. Otherwise, I'll talk to your mother for that you leave the class in between when I'm teaching you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Open your cameras. Why so many less students today? 5, 11, 10. Huh?
Good morning.
You are marking present on
Good
the Goa
morning,
group.
ma'am.
Beta, no need to write your attendance on the group. No need to write your attendance on the group. Just come without.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. बेटा नो नीड टू गिव योर अटेंडेंस एंड वेस्ट टाइम ऑन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पर कोई वेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं अपना टाइम आई हैव द अटेंडेंस हियर इन द क्लास इटसेल्फ आई कैन सी द योर अटेंडेंस हियर इन द क्लास
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग ओपन योर कैमरास क्विकली Unsha and Riddhi is not even connected. Okay, let us start. Yesterday, what we have done? We have done the first method and second method in the first question. Okay, let me check in the D group. What we have done in the G group?
Ma'am, I have done my work from the D group
Okay,
class.
2 plus 4 multiply by 8. Okay, I have given you the two questions, 2 plus 4 multiply by 8. Have you done that?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have
Yes,
done this
ma'am.
question? Okay, let me show you the question.
Yes, ma'am.
This question, wait a second. Have you done this question? This second one?
Yes, ma'am.
This second question, have you done?
Ma'am, I've seen
Wait a
the
minute, let me
recording.
spotlight myself. Wait a second.
Mm,
This question. All of you have done this one? Second one? 2
yes,
plus
ma'am.
4 multiply by 8?
Yes, ma'am. But can you please tell me, ma'am, how to do this?
Beta, yesterday I've shared it.
Ma'am.
Okay, let me start. Okay, let me share it again. Let me share it again. Wait a minute. Just give me a minute. Beta.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am.
Which exercise
Ma'am,
is it?
yesterday I not attend class.
So बहुत अच्छा किया बेटा आपने कल अटेंड नहीं की क्लास. So if you have not attended the class, you can see the recording also. बेटा recording क्यों send की जाती है? You know that? You know that why we send
Ma'am.
the recording? Huh? You know that why we see the they give you the recordings?
Ma'am.
No, just to see when you miss any class, if you're not able to attend any class, so that you can see it from the recording. That's why we send you the recording. Okay? Because sometimes you're not able to attend the class, so you can see the recording. Manya, don't show it to me. It's not visible from there. Okay. I am showing you this question. This is question number 1. This is the two different ways to do it. So if you have not attended the previous class, you can see the previous recording for this. And let us start doing the next two questions. Wait, I'm writing question 3 here itself. I'm writing question 3 here itself. Start writing the question number 3. 3 and 4. 2 plus 4 in bracket. You have to multiply by that number by 8. This is the
Ma'am, you
third
have to
question.
write first and second also.
बेटा first and second कल हो चुका है इसलिए don't waste time in that. Okay? First and second we have done yesterday.
Ma'am, third question is same with second question.
क्या क्या हुआ?
Ma'am,
अच्छा,
third question.
okay, sorry beta, sorry. Thank you so much
Same
for
with
telling.
question.
Sorry beta, sorry here. 4 plus 5 multiplied by 3. Sorry. Thank you for telling. Thank you. It was going to be a mistake, big mistake. फिर आप... Okay, next question is 8 plus 2 multiplied by 10. These are 3 and 4. Do 3 and 4 right now and send me or share it on the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, can you please understand me the second one?
Which one? Second one? दिक्का तो है बेटा second one. It is
Yes,
written.
ma'am.
And may
Ma'am,
I go
can
to
you please tell it
washroom?
again?
बेटा you can check it from here only. यहाँ देखो first method दे तो रखा है. First वाला question मैंने जैसे कराया, आराध्या do it. आराध्या भूल गई? अभी I'm explaining you again. Give me a minute आराध्या. मैं फिर से explain कर रही हूँ आराध्या. I'm explaining you again.
Ma'am,
No,
may I
ma'am,
go
I
to
did not attend the yesterday's class. That's why.
बेटा that is the biggest mistake. देखो इतना important work कराया था मैंने ये. देखो there are two methods to solve it. The first method is आप bracket solve करो पहले. Bracket के अंदर क्या दे रखा है? 3 plus 6
Ma'am,
9.
may I go to washroom?
Please don't speak in between when I'm talking to one. जब एक से बात कर रही हूँ अंकुश, don't speak in between. I'm explaining this to her and you are speaking in between. What is this? Are these the manners? Yes, Aradhya, see here. First, what we will do, first we add the bracket. First method is to add the bracket. 6 plus 3 is 9 and multiply by 5. 9 5 is 45. So this is simple. Second method is a distributive property method. How, what we are doing here, we are distributing this 5. We are distributing this 5 to 3. एक बार इस 5 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एक बार इस 5 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर है उसमें ब्रैकेट के अंदर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे इसको. ठीक है. So we have multiplied this 3 by 5 and this 6 by 5 again. ठीक है. तो 3 5 is 15 and 6 5 is 30. When you add them and there is a plus sign in between them, so we will add them here also. ठीक है. So when we'll add 15 and 30, we will get the answer as 45 again. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to do now? Try at least. Try karo Aradhya.
Ma'am.
And beta, whenever you miss any class, please see the previous recording. I explained it this very nicely, so you can just अभी तब भी समझ नहीं आता ना, कल वाली रिकॉर्डिंग चेक कर लेना आराध्या. ओके बेटा, अभी भी
Okay,
मुझसे
ma'am.
पूछ सकती हो, बट उसके बाद भी नहीं समझ आ रहा है तो एक बार रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर चेक कर लेना. यू विल कम टू नो विद इन अ मिनट.
Okay, ma'am.
ट्राई करो आराध्या, ट्राई करो. स्टार्ट ट्राई बेटा. Sorry, please switch off your mic. We don't want to hear your ringtones. Everyone just do it and send it to me.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, send it, Akshay.
Okay. Ma'am, is sent it.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I don't know the answer. Ma'am, I don't. Please explain the third
No,
one.
no, because whenever I explain you, you will leave the place. है ना? Yesterday you did the same thing, right? When I was asking you, just be here कि यहीं रहना और look on the board and you go for washroom in between, right? मैंने कल समझाया था ये बहुत अच्छे से. Now I will not explain you because you left for washroom, right? Without my permission. And I especially told you do not leave the class. No, I say just look here on the board, not to leave the class. I say just look here carefully on the board. अब फिर समझाऊंगी, फिर वॉशरूम चले जाओगे, है ना? Without my permission.
Ma'am, a class teacher Pooja ma'am is saying that on 29 June there's a test on the app named Super League.
Sorry, beta, what you are saying? I'm not able to hear you, Akshat.
Ma'am, a class teacher Pooja ma'am is saying in 29th June there is a test on the app Discovery Super League.
बायजूस वाला बोल रहे हो क्या? हाँ, अक्षत?
Mama, Discovery Super League is a test.
This बायजूस one ना?
In
हाँ,
29 June there is a test on the app.
हाँ, so what you have to do for that? अक्षत, पहले बेटा 8 + 2.
Ma'am,
अक्षत, ये आप थोड़ा सा मेथड रॉन्ग कर रहे हो बेटा. जो फर्स्ट वाला है उसमें थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक कर रहे हो. 4 और 5 आपको ऐड करके उसके नीचे ही लिखना है. उसके नीचे ही लिखना है आपने. जैसे मैंने लिखा है ना उसके नीचे, वही लिखना है ऐसे उसके नीचे. प्रवीर, वेयर आर यू? आई कांट सी यू. तुम भी अदक्ष की तरह घूमते रहते हो. हाँ प्रवीर, प्रवीर. वेदांशु, वेरी गुड. वेदांशु, आप बहुत अच्छा वर्क कर रहे हो, सीरियसली.
excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, please explain the three.
Ma'am, I was saying, ma'am, after doing like, ma'am, 2 to 8 multiply.
Ma'am,
then
I am
4 to
also
8,
sent.
what we have to do.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do test in Byju's.
Beta, you just ask your class teacher for that. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, जब आपने 2 to 8 multiply, then 4 to 8, what we have to do next?
Beta, see, in first method there are two methods.
Ma'am, can we send it?
Ansh Patel, yes, and please open your camera. I will not listen to you next time if you are not going to open your camera.
Ma'am, first method is clear to me, but ma'am, second, I am having.
बेटा फर्स्ट आप आराध्या आप क्या करोगी? 2 से 8 को मल्टीप्लाई किया, ठीक है. फिर प्लस लगाया बीच में बिकॉज प्लस साइन इज देयर. फिर 4 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, ठीक है. फिर 2 को 8 से करोगी 16 आएगा, प्लस 4 को 8 से करोगी 32 आएगा. ओके, ट्राई नाउ. Aman, why are you playing? Have you sent the work?
Ma'am, can we send our first and second question also?
Yes. Okay, Aman, very good. Aman, बहुत अच्छा work किया. Aman, have you done it yourself or somebody helped you? अंश पटेल, मैं तुम्हारा चेक नहीं करूंगी क्योंकि तुम्हारा कैमरा हमेशा ऑफ रहता है. So I'm not going to check any of your answer because your camera is always off. If you will not listen to me, I will not able to listen to you.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yourself, Aman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Aman. बहुत अच्छा वर्क किया. Neat and clean and the work is nice.
Ma'am, I have done.
ये कौन है? बिल्कुल गलत है. ये किसका है? ये दक्ष. रॉन्ग. दक्ष बेटा, ऐसे मेरे क्लास के बीच में उठ के चले जाओगे तो ऐसे ही समझ नहीं आएगा. वेरी गुड. हु इज दिस? मुबश्शिरा, वेरी नाइस. Vedanshu, very good. Send it quickly, everybody else. Aradhya, try quickly.
Sending
Ma'am,
the
I
group.
have done the second one, and ma'am, both answers are the same.
Which one?
Ma'am, I
Yes,
will
both
send.
answers will be same.
Yes, ma'am,
Jyoti Guru.
I will now send my work after
Why?
doing the third
Why?
and fourth. Ma'am,
Why?
means I
Why?
will send the work after doing all the questions.
Okay, 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 okay. Send it quickly. Do that. Okay, Tanveer. Yes, very good, Tanveer. Correct. Absolutely correct. Tanveer, बेटा छोटा लिखा करो थोड़ा सा. Unsha, send your work quickly. Send. And you never send me your work. कभी मेरे पास work नहीं आता उनशा आपका. Never. Once or twice a day you send me the work. Do it quickly.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do this.
Okay, very good. Gauri, very good. Who is this? Shelly Gupta, very good. Shelly बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ रही हो आजकल. Very good. I must appreciate you. Very good. मतलब इस क्लास में most of the students, some of the students I must appreciate, they are working very hard. Like Tanveer, Aman, Arjun is in this class now. Mubashir also doing
Yes,
well.
ma'am.
Manya also working hard these days. Very good. I must appreciate these students. Praveer, Praveer, क्लास में से कहाँ चले जाते हो बीच बीच में? Tell me.
Ma'am, I was going to the washroom, ma'am. I'm
Whose
doing my
permission
work.
have you taken, beta? Whose permission have you taken? Tell me. I have seen you many times, like Daksh used to do. He used to leave the class in between and he roams here and there. Same you do. I will talk to your parents, Praveer, next time. I'm telling you. I'll just call your mother here and show her that you go here and there.
Ma'am, I know to do this.
What?
I know how to do this.
Because you leave the class in between. I explained this twice to Aradhya.
No,
मैंने
ma'am,
ये 2 बार.
I have understand. Ma'am,
So where
I
is your
can do
answer?
this.
Where is your answer?
Ma'am, I am doing.
I'll call your mother right now and tell her that you roam here and there after during the classes, and you keep on talking to somebody else. You never send me the answer. Never. You are roaming here and there. I was calling your name continuously. Don't know what you people do behind the. That's why I asked you to switch on your camera, because you roam here and there. You sleep. You lie down. That's what you people do. Ansh Patel, I will never check his answers because he used to keep his camera off. I'll never listen to him. Unsha, what about you? Talking or taking selfies or doing something else? I did not receive these answers from you. Mubashira, sit straight. Sit straight. Done, all of you. Do it quickly. Those who have not done, let me check the names. किसने
Ma'am,
दे
I
दिया है
don't
and
know.
who are left? Vedanshu,
Ma'am, I
okay. Aman, Mubashira, Wave.
I don't know how to do this.
बेटा because you roam here and there और अभी बताऊंगी तुम्हें मैं फिर you will roam here and there है ना?
Ma'am, please tell me in
नहीं, you
one.
will roam here and there. That's why मैं कहूंगी look on the board. You will roam here and there. You are not even. You did not say even the word sorry to me after doing yesterday's thing. Whatever you have done yesterday, you have not even said a word sorry, and you are not even ashamed of it. है ना बेटा? एक सॉरी भी नहीं बोला गया ना आपने मुझसे. that you left the class in between? I have the full recording. I will show. Akshaj, very good. Arslan, 8 plus 2 bracket में करके you have to multiply by 10. 8 plus 2 नहीं लिखना है, 8 plus 2 multiply by 10 you have to write in a bracket.
Okay, ma'am.
Manya, very good Manya, very good. Very nicely done. Aradhya, correct beta Aradhya, very good. आराध्या बीच में, आराध्या अब तो समझ आ गया ना? अरे आ गया आराध्या तुम्हारी समझ में, वेरी गुड. You say you are not able to understand, now you are able to understand. See, Aradhya was not present yesterday. अभी मैंने उसको बताया, तो तुमने सुना दक्ष या नहीं सुना? Tell me. जब मैंने आराध्या को बताया, yes or no? Tell me दक्ष. रिद्धि, very good. हाँ दक्ष, I'm talking to you. अब तुम मुझे रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहे हो, मैं भी तुम्हें रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करूंगी, समझ लेना. You are not responding me, you never respond to me, and you never feel sorry for that also. Tell me Daksh, I'm talking to you. जब मैंने आराध्या को समझाया था आज, आराध्या did not attended yesterday's class, और मैंने आज आराध्या को समझाया था. Have you heard that? देखा था आपने, या आराध्या को ही समझा रही थी मैं सिर्फ? First I'll talk to your parents, then I'll just do it. Don't worry. Okay everyone, have you all got the answer? I suppose everyone has got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Okay. So first method and second method. I'm telling you the answers quickly. Just जल्दी से check करो. Okay. जल्दी से check करना. Although all of you have done it correct, very good. I must appreciate everyone except one or two. Everyone has sent me the correct answer. गौरी, आज आपने मुझे आंसर नहीं भेजा बेटा? हाँ गौरी, you have sent it. अच्छा, तो मुझसे कहीं mistake हो गई होगी. I might be not remember it. Okay, so see here, 2 plus 4 multiply by 8. So how will you do it? You will write 2 plus 4 कितना होता है? What is 2 plus 4?
Ma'am,
What is 6?
Ma'am,
Multiply by 8. And what is 6 8s? And what is 6 8s?
Ma'am, 48. 48.
48. Very good. 48. Okay, now let us start the second method. ठीक है, so what will you do here? 2 plus 4 multiply by 8 is given to you. So 2 plus 4, what is will be? 2 plus 4 क्या हो जाएगा? Look here. 2 multiply by 8, 4 multiply by 8. 2 multiply by 8 plus 4 multiply by 8. Sorry. Okay, 2 8s are 16 plus 4 8s are 32. When you add both of them, how much will you get?
48.
Ma'am, 48.
Yes. Is this the answer coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshaj?
Yes, ma'am.
अक्षत
Yes,
क्या था
ma'am.
ये? क्या था ये अक्षत जो किया तुमने अभी? क्या
Yes,
किया?
ma'am.
What have you done? You know very well. क्या किया तुमने? You know very well what have you done?
Ma'am, what?
What? You shouted? Shouted right now, na?
No, ma'am.
Yes, I've seen you shouting. बेटा ऐसे झूठ नहीं बोला
No,
करो. You don't know the recording is going on, है ना? You know very well the recording is going on, right?
Yes,
ठीक है,
ma'am.
so 4 plus 5 will be 9. 9
multiplied.
multiplied by 3. So 9 3s is 27. This is the first method. And try the second method. Write down the second method. Wait a minute. Second method is Aradhya. Can you tell me the second method? जल्दी से बताओ.
Okay,
जल्दी से
ma'am.
जल्दी से. चलो, by the time I'm writing down the question, पहले मैं question लिख लेती हूँ. आराध्या आप बोलती रहो.
Okay, ma'am. 4 multiplied by 3
Oh, sorry.
plus
Yes.
5
Then
multiplied by 3
Okay, wait a minute.
12
Wait a
plus
minute. Let me
15
write.
equals
You are
20.
saying 4 multiplied by 3 and you are adding 5 multiplied by 3, right, Aradhya? This you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is 4 threes are?
12.
12. Very good. Then you will put plus and 5 threes are 15. Very good.
15
Total will
equals to
be
27. 27.
very good. Chalo, Praveer.
27.
Praveer, tell me the fourth one.
27.
Praveer, tell me the fourth one. Praveer, by the time writing down the question, मुझे जल्दी से first method बताओ fourth वाले का. See, look at him, what he is doing. Praveer, what are you doing? Praveer, see.
I can do.
Yes, Unsha. Unsha, अभी तक आपने मुझे आंसर नहीं भेजा बेटा. Where is your answer?
I'm sending.
Send it. Okay, just let me see. Let me see. अरसलान का आंसर है मेरे पास. उनशा का आंसर है. उनशा बेटा रोज मेरे पास टाइम से आंसर्स आ जाने चाहिए. Okay, understood? Okay, हाँ उनशा, speak. First method बताओ जल्दी से उनशा.
10x 10 is equal to 100.
10 multiply x कहाँ से आ गया ये? Multiply 10.
Multiply 10 is equal to 100.
Yes. Method second. What is the method second?
I can tell.
हाँ.
8 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 10. 80 plus 20 is equal to 100.
उनशा देख कर नहीं बोलना है बेटा. ये नहीं कब बोला है मैंने आपसे. आप कॉपी में से देखिए और उसमें से जो लिखा है वो बोल दीजिए. ये तो नहीं बोला है मैंने, है ना, कि कॉपी में से देख कर बोलो. Tell me yourself. How will you distribute this? 8 and 2.
Ma'am, I sent it.
Sally, you tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
8
multiplied by 10.
8 multiplied by 10. Very good, Shelly. Yes, then add. Very good.
2 multiplied by 10.
2 multiplied by 10. Very nice, Shelly. Shelly ऐसे पहले से पढ़ती रहती तो क्या चला जाता है Shelly? थर्ड क्लास में भी ऐसे ही पढ़ लेती. कितना अच्छा कर रही हो. Yes, tell me now. What to do?
Ma'am, 80
80. Very good.
plus 20.
80 plus 20. Yes. Plus 20. So 80 plus 20 is what? 100.
100.
Okay. Check your answers. Just give me a minute. Let me also check. Very good.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay, very good. Let me share it on the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am,
Our answers correct.
My also all answers correct. अभी तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. हैं? अब answers are correct. Let me share it on the D group also. Chalo. Now let us start the next question, right? Next type of questions we will start now. ठीक है? Okay, the question will be now based on multiplication of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. बेटा अब थोड़ा सा multiplication आपका बड़ा होने वाला है. Questions will be quite longer, bigger multiplication you can say. ठीक है? So you have to be very very careful. As you remember, 2-digit multiplication क्या होता है? It's 10, 15, right? Wait a minute.
Ma'am, screen is black.
Check your internet connection.
Ma'am, I
yes,
sent.
your screen is black.
Ma'am, I sent, please see. No, ma'am, your screen is not
Proper.
black.
है
No,
ना?
ma'am, your screen is not black. Proper.
Okay, I know very well, beta. Their network is not good. That's why they are feeling this. Okay, now look here. Now I'm going to teach you multiplication by 2-digit numbers. Although you know it, but it will be quite bigger. अभी तक आपने छोटे छोटे करे हैं, so I'm going to teach you a little bigger ones. Okay, suppose the number is 2, 8, 4, 9, and you
Ma'am,
have to
your board.
multiply
So
it.
is the
Look,
black
बेटा when I explain ना अच्छे तो बोलते नहीं है बीच में, बिल्कुल. And look here on the board, especially Mr. Daksh. Don't leave for washroom now. 87. Okay. Now see here. 7 nines are. Now start calculating it. Okay, let me teach you. Okay, what will you do now?
Ma'am, I
You will
can't see your
just.
board.
अक्षज बेटा क्या मैं बोल लूं? मैं बोल लूं अक्षज? या आप पढ़ा दोगे सबको? You always speak in between, Akshaj. Okay, the question is 2849 multiplied by 7. So what will you do here? First of all, we'll multiply this 7 by the whole 2849. Put it 2849 से multiply करते हैं. 7 nines are 63. Or if you don't know 7 nines are, you can do 9 sevens are also. 7 nines are 63. 6 carry. Okay. The numbers will be carried over, will be added. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So what will be the answer here? 34. 3 will be carried over here. 7 8s are 56, 57, 58, 59. So answer will be 59. 5 will be carried over here. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. ठीक है. Now rub all the carryovers. जो भी carryover लिया था उसको rub कर दो. ठीक है. It will create a lot of disturbance. अब हम इस 7 को नहीं देखेंगे. And very important, which you often forget, to put this cross sign over here. Put this cross sign over here. You can place a 0 also there. Here, but it is important to put a cross sign over here. If you will not put a cross sign over here, your answer will be absolutely wrong. Okay, आप 8 को फिर 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 8 9s are 72. 2 इसके नीचे नहीं आएगा. 2 ये will be here. 8 9s किया था ना, 7 will come here. 8 4s are 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 हो जाएगा. 39, 3 will be carried over. 8 8s are 64, 65, 66, 67. 67 will come here. 6 will be here. 8 2s are 16 plus 6 is 22. So you will write 22 like this. And then you have to add these two columns. This column and this column you have to add. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3. बेटा ये वाले digits जो होते हैं, ये वाले digits, इनके बीच में थोड़ा gap रखना. वरना सबसे ज़्यादा mistake I'm telling you. I've checked so many copies before and I know सबसे ज़्यादा mistake, even if you are a good student also, very आप class में full marks आते हैं, तब भी आप यहाँ पर mistake करते थे. थोड़ा 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 gap करते हैं. 9 plus 9 is 18, 1 carry over. 9 plus 1 10, 17, 1 carry over. 2 1 3 plus 1 4 is there and 2 4 17. Understood? You should add these two numbers and there must be gap, proper gap, वरना ये गलत आएगा बेटा आंसर. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि 9 के नीचे 9, 4 के नीचे 4, 8 के नीचे 8, ऐसा कंपलसरी नहीं है. You can write it any manner, but make sure ये वाले जो है, ये these two columns will be digit under digit. 9 के नीचे 9, 9 के नीचे 9, ये वाला important है. ये दो. These two are very important. Carryovers also. Don't get confused. आप क्या करते हो? आप पहले वाले carryover रब नहीं करते. अभी तक 5 है, उसको 6 बना देते हो, और 6 ऐसे भी नहीं बनाते हो, 6 ऐसे बना देते हो. तो बेटा ये पता है इसमें सबसे ज्यादा मिस्टेक होती है. आप ठीक कर रहे हो लेकिन आप ऐसे कैरी ओवर, आपको लगेगा पता नहीं 5 है या 6 है, 5 ऐड कर दिया, पूरा गया. You have to be very very careful while solving these questions. Okay, now let us start doing the questions. Take out your maths pen notebook again, a new page. Although you have done some questions like this before, लेकिन बेटा वो बहुत छोटे छोटे questions थे. Up there will be some long questions. Long means the question will be quite bigger. उसकी multiplication जो होगी ना, थोड़े बड़े numbers होंगे multiplication में. Okay, Now take out your maths by notebook and new page again.
Ma'am, I was disconnected, so I can't understand.
So see the recording now. Right here, exercise. Exercise number is which one? Exercise number is 3.4. Question number 1. Question number 8. A नहीं है, B है. A, B we will do in book afterwards. A part we will do in book afterwards. This is the question B part. Wait a minute. A part is your homework. Question A is your homework in book, but here we will do question B. Find the product. Find the product. Okay.
Ma'am, class is over. It
Hurry.
is
Class is over.
10:22.
Shut up, Ursula. You don't want to study ना, है ना? You don't want to study क्योंकि पहले ही पढ़ लेते हो तुम, है ना? You become so intelligent.
Ma'am, we have to written this find the project.
Yes, you have to write it, beta. If I've written this. बेटा थोड़े से क्वेश्चन लॉक
Ma'am, it means we have to
do the first
balance.
question only. We'll do the next question tomorrow. Do the first question
Okay,
only by the
ma'am.
time. Do it yourself.
Ma'am, we have to show.
शो क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लाई करना है इसको. शो का मीनिंग क्या हो गया?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, we assign them.
Start doing the first question.
Minus.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I also done.
Okay, very good. Beta, now 1 minute is more left only. So we'll not do the next question now. We'll do it at some other time. Okay, we'll do tomorrow.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, very good. If you have done it.
Ma'am,
I have done.
Okay.
Find the
I have also done. I also 10,
Ma'am, I have done. 14, 15, 15, 15, 15, 16, 17,
There was 10:25. Ma'am, can I leave?
10, 15.
Whatever is your wish, you can do that.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, it's less than 1 minute.